What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another review for you. We got VEVOR's Diaphragm pump. Let's jump into it. The Diaphragm pump by VEVOR, like I said, it is the flow rate of 3.3 gallons per minute. It has a pressure of 45 psi and a max amp of 1.6 amps. VEVOR did send me this just to check it out and give my honest review. So let's just do that. So in the kit, it comes with this pump. It does connect to your home outlet, a 110, 120 outlet. Pretty cool. They do make other models too that are heavier duty, that, you know, up to 7 gallons or even 9 gallons if I'm not right. This is about 50 bucks on Amazon. You can go check them out on Amazon or their website at vevor.com. They have every tools that you can imagine, even kitchen appliance stuff and just mini lathes, whatever you want, they probably got. So this kit comes with the pump, comes with these easier connects. These just slip onto the ends here, like so. Just like that, so you can hook up some hoses. And then right here you can see your arrows. This is going to be your in, and then this is going to be your out. So wherever you want to suck from and wherever you want to put that water to. So usually these people, you know, people use this for like RVs, just anywhere you would need a pump, I guess. I'm gonna collect in a big barrel, 55 gallon barrel of rainwater, so I can water plants and stuff like that in the summertime. But I'm not gonna be doing that right now because it is the middle of the winter, or well, fall, should I say. So I have everything wrapped up. So I'll build you guys a little model here of how I'm gonna be doing it, but let's just see what else comes in the kit. So you get a filter. This is gonna be your water filter. It's not like a crazy water filter. It's just to get, you know, the bigger sediment stuff out. So this is gonna be on, it says it right here, vacuum side only. So you're not gonna wanna put it on your out. You're not gonna wanna put it there. You're gonna wanna put it on this side. Water come in, filter through this, and then go in, and then it'll come out. It also comes with some Teflon tape, and then also a really small Allen key. And I'll show you what that is for. So, for those of you who don't know what the Allen key is for, because you'd be like, where in the world would an Allen key go? Well, right here, there is a little screw. You're gonna wanna take that off. It's just a Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips bit will do it. Unscrew that, and once you unscrew it, it'll pop off, just like so. And then you see this right here, that's actually for pressure. So if you want more pressure or less pressure, you can control that with this Allen key. You just go up or down, and that'll control your flow. So if you have it hooked up to like a sink in your RV or whatever the case is, and you want, you know, it's coming out too fast when your sink is all the way open, well, you can just turn that down. So up is gonna be, turning it up is gonna be lessening the pressure, and then turning it down will be increasing the pressure. Like I said, maximum pressure, 45 psi at 3.3 gallons per minute. So, and then like I said, they do make other ones that are less strong and more strong. So it has these little rubber feet, so for vibration, try not to make any, you know, a rattling noise. It'll try to keep it, or it'll be dampening the vibration. Put these feet here. You can put these feet, you know, you can move the feet around. I wish there was a little mounting bracket where I can screw stuff, but I guess I could use a screw and a washer. That'll work fine. But yeah, let's cut up some holes, and I'll kind of put it together and show you guys how to do it. Pretty simple though. I have a bucket full of water right here. This is empty. I might just siphon it back into itself, but we're gonna be putting it together. Pretty simple to put it together. So water filter, this is already on there. Screw the water filter on. And we're gonna screw that on to the pump. For this example, I'm not going to use the Teflon tape. You can use that to get it more watertight. I'm not going to right now. So there's that. Stick that in there. This can be just like this, or you can use probably a garden hose and use a hose clamp. We're going to put another hose on the end. There we go. Voila. Another thing I'm noticing that would be nice on this, if it actually had an on and off switch. Because right now, once I plug it in, it starts running. And it's pretty quiet. Here. We're gonna try sucking some water up. That's pretty fast getting primed. So you can, like I said, you could hook this up to about anything and you'll have some running water, you know? So for instance, I'll have basically a huge 55-gallon bucket full of rainwater somewhere. I have an outlet close to it, and to get the water out of there and hooked up to a hose, just hook up this, put a hose in the 55-gallon bucket, and then boom, I have running water from the rainwater that I'm going to be collecting. Pretty cool. Pretty fast. I wonder how fast we can get it going. Okay, let's try it. What the? Let's try it going faster. I didn't see a difference, to be honest with you. Huh. I wouldn't typically play with this anyways. I mean, me, I would want the max amount always. That's just me. Some other people might want to be able to adjust it. Me, in my case, I want full max power, so. But I still don't see a difference if you did want to adjust it, which is kind of, it's not a make or break for me, but for other people it might be. Yeah, it's not doing anything. But you can see it's running pretty fast too. So there you go, guys. That is the Diaphragm pump by VEVOR. Like I said, they have different other models. They have, I think, a 5-gallon or gallon per minute one, and a 7, and I think they might have like a 2 or a 1 or something like that too as well. So if you want different flow rates, I am a little disappointed, and it could have been me doing it, that adjustment feature to getting more or less flow. That was kind of the disappointment that didn't work. But for me, I don't need that feature because I want it always running at max. Some people might want that. Well, right there you saw that I was having trouble with that. But it's cool that they send you these other attachments and not just the pump. And yeah, all of this for 50 bucks, guys. You can check them out at VEVOR.com or go on Amazon and just type in VEVOR Diaphragm pump if you're interested in the pump. Link will be in the description. Go ahead and check them out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.